Hello my friends of Canary Constructions and Management. Okay, this video is about logging into the Google services. So the first thing you need is to have Google Chrome. In this company, we cannot work with any other browser. Google Chrome is the one that everyone has to be signed in. Why? Because it belongs to Google, and we have all our services under Google. Now, when you go to Google Chrome, mine is already sort of signing in post as Marcos, but it's not only that you sign in let's say Gmail, it's that you actually on Chrome need to come here and sign in with your Google credentials. Okay, it's my case. I have my password. And then in the browser, you have you can add in the bookmarks whatever you want. I tell you what do I have handy all the time, which is Gmail, calendar. I have the portal, I have the academy, then I have some shortcuts to the drive. For example, if I go to production and I want to have let's say Chamberlain projects, the only thing you need to do is to click here and bring it to the taskbar, or even drive it into a folder. Okay, and then you can even have in this folder you can edit the name of things, like from here edit and now re-edit the name. So this is very handy because we're constantly checking Google, and it's easy to have the shortcuts up here. As a minimum, you should have shortcuts to the projects, or at least the most common ones. Gmail, the portal, and academy. That is at a very, and the calendar probably. It's a very minimum. Now you can even go in our portal and select specific places, like for example in my activity, when we track our hours, you can just bring this one, so you know you have a shortcut in that's activity, for example, and it takes you straight to the activity page. So we go here, we have activity. Here we go, it's a shortcut. Okay, now next one is Gmail. It's probably the center of everything. Everyone has to have Gmail open at all times, all the time. In Gmail or any other app like Google Calendar, you have these 9 buttons here, or 9 squares, where all the apps from Google are. Okay, the main ones are the server, so Google Drive, Gmail, calendar. We also have contacts. All the contacts and groups, we manage it through the portal. We have Google Meet, and this is very important because we always use this one. The other thing I would suggest is that once you have your first meeting in Google Meet, we always use the same one. I have the shortcut here. This link is the link we normally use constantly, and you can only have it once I send it to you, or somebody else send it to you. And then the moment you have it, just grab it here and drag it into the bookmark bar. Okay, so then there is not asking for, oh, can you send me the link? No, this is the link. Bam. Okay. What else? Okay, we go to Gmail. Let's go to Gmail. Well, Gmail have many different things, but you probably that will be a subject of a different video. We have Google Calendar, etc. What else do we have in here? We have groups, users, and sites. In sites, you have academy, but I created a subdomain for the academy, so it's easier to access. If you type academy.arcanary.com. Okay. And other than that, there is YouTube, there is photos, where we keep photos of all the projects. So there are many things. I mean, all the apps normally are we're using them, and then you can have more detailed information. This is just a general thing. Okay, so you have your email, you log in, you're ready to go. Now, on the portal, you go to the portal. So it's portal.arcanary.com. Go log out, and basically you need to type the same. By default I have created the password and email the same in Google and the portal at arcanary.com, and the password is my secret password. Okay. So you'll see some tabs that are relevant to you. Just so you don't get into panic, go to Academy, and there are videos for most of things. And if you don't have the information to explain, that you require extra information to explain how to do invoices or time or how to write an email, you can contact me and we can create a protocol for that. So the idea is that we always have protocol for everything. Okay, so there should be somewhere in Academy the data on how to do things, and if it doesn't exist, we can create it. All right. So in Academy, just briefly, there is specific videos for this. In the arcanary way, this is probably the first video you need to watch. Sorry, the first presentation you need to watch, slideshow. From here, you go to conventions. This is very important also. From here, you go to fields, people, structure. This gives you a general understanding of the company. And then we have protocols and tutorials on business development, knowledge, operational. So in here you can see how, for example, the portal works. Where are the accounts, projects, etc. And so we'll have soon more videos about AutoCAD and Bluebeam, etc. Okay. So thank you very much and welcome to arcanary. Bye bye.